Alright, number 1. So we're trying to figure out if this triangle is right, acute, or obtuse. And the first thing we need to do is figure out which side is the longest. And they're all radicals, but this one right here isn't in the same form, meaning like it has a coefficient. So I'm going to take that coefficient and put it back inside. If there was a coefficient there, that means originally, since it's a square root, there were 2 2's on the outside. So I should have actually 3 2's now. So that's the same thing as the square root of 8. Which makes sense, because if you simplify the square root of 8, you're going to pull a pair of 2's out. So you get 2 times the square root of 2. So now I need to look at these and see which one is my longest side. So 5, 8, and 13. 13 is going to be my longest side, so I'm going to see if that is equal to c. So I'm going to set up my equation. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Square root of 5 squared plus the square root of 8 squared. Now, you already went through this trouble to find what it is as a radicand, so just use that. Don't go back and forth. You'll make it harder on yourself. Then equals the square root of 13 squared. Squaring a square root cancels that. Those are inverse operations. So you're just left with 5 plus 8 equals 13. 5 plus 8 does equal 13. And since it's a true statement, it is an equal sign. That means that this is a right triangle.